ground that barely needs an introduction. The grand theatre for many a footballing drama. Welcome to the Theatre of Dreams, Old Trafford. The teams then, Real Madrid against Barcelona. I'm Peter Drury, and seated in the experts' hot seat is our man Jim Beglin.
Hi Peter, always good to work with you. I'm really looking forward to this now.
Well, this is intense. They talk about it for months, they remember it for years. It matters almost too much when Barca and Real collide. Who do you, Jim, see making the difference here?
Andres Iniesta is a favourite of mine, a massive part of the tiki-taka style and a player of the highest passing calibre. When it comes to a sense of occasion and important goals, this guy has all the qualifications as well.
Yeah, I'd have picked him too. No doubt the fans feel much the same way. So what now? It's been intercepted, and that will come to nothing. Toni Kroos is the Route 1 option. Barcelona somehow escaped the danger. That was a tight call, though. And it's Toni Kroos. It's Kroos! An absolute thunderbolt! Oh, it really is a finish of the highest order. And Real Madrid are ahead. A moment that needed composure, and he had plenty of it.
Ah, that's just clever. He made the keeper think he was going one way, only to outfox him by going the other. Very nice.
Real Madrid give themselves the perfect start. Can they build on it? Mascherano. Aim forward. Iniesta. So they got the only goal to make it 1-0. Jordi Alba. Plays it over to the other flank. Now it's Cristiano Ronaldo. Well positioned to make that interception. Iniesta, aimed long and direct. Jordi Alba. It's a long forward pass. Rakitic. Iniesta. Rakitic plays it out to the wing. Jordi Alba with the ball through. Now it's Neymar. Oh, he's broken through.
Well, that was a really awkward one for the goalkeeper to deal with.
James Rodriguez roots it upfield. Speculative strike. And the ball's come out. Another piece of really good defending. Neymar. Jordi Alba. And the referee brings the first half to a close.
Well, this team has found a real rhythm to their game. The players seem to have clicked well. There's good movement off the ball. The passes are sticking. No one's afraid to have a go.
Real Madrid head for the dressing room in possession of a 1-0 lead. Real Madrid carry a 1-goal lead into the second half. Cristiano Ronaldo tries running with the ball at his feet. Cristiano Ronaldo, not one to pass up the chance to run up the defence. He loves those duels.
And that's what you call going solo. He may have taken the selfish route to goal, but it wasn't a bad run, and it might just spark a teammate to come up with something extra now.
Messi! It's broken loose! And it's Neymar. Rakitic. It's Rakitic! That carried quite a threat. Rakitic with the short one. Cristiano Ronaldo, very firm in standing his ground there. It is a tough, full contact contest. Not much subtlety, he's launched himself there. Sergio Busquets does well to read it and intercepts. Real Madrid haven't yet dipped into their subs. Now it's Cristiano Ronaldo. Is there any support? He might not need it. Oh, taken with style. A two-goal cushion, and it's looking safe. Well, how's that for a class finish?
I just thought he knew exactly what he was doing by feigning to move one way and then readjusting back. Controlled trickery.
Real Madrid get themselves a two-goal cushion.
Well, at 1-0 this contest was still nicely poised, but now that it's gone to 2, mindsets are affected a lot more. Winning belief one way and that losing feeling the other.
Cristiano Ronaldo.
Benzema can't hurt you with his back to goal, and I think if they can keep him facing in that direction, then the only thing he can do really is to just lay the ball off, and he's not really going to cause much trouble if he continues doing that, so I think they're defending him very, very well.
Neymar. Piqué. And it's Cristiano Ronaldo. Shoots! Messi. And the referee brings it to a close. Real Madrid have won it. As much industry as inspiration. Whatever the formula, it has worked for them. Thoughts on what we've just seen?
Listen, I've experienced the highs and the lows of